Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Introduction to Salesforce. What is Salesforce? It is a cloud-based software company which provides CRM software solution. When it came into picture, it was founded by the former Oracle executive Mark Benioff in 1999 at San Francisco, California. Who is the CEO of the company? Mark Russell Benioff is the co-founder, chairman and CEO of the Salesforce company. What are the services provided by Salesforce? Salesforce helps businesses keep track of customer interactions and sales data. It can manage leads, contacts, opportunities, and cases. Salesforce also offers several features to help businesses automate their sales and marketing processes. Cloud computing. It is the delivery of computing services including software, storage, servers, databases, networking, analytics, and intelligence over the internet. SaaS stands for Software as a Service, is a cloud-based software delivery model that allows end users to access software applications over the internet. Basically, it provides application. PaaS stands for Platform as a Service, is a complete cloud environment, includes everything that developers need to build, run and manage applications. Salesforce provides Force.com as a platform. IaaS stands for Infrastructure as a Service, is a cloud computing model that provides on-demand access to computing resources such as server, storage, networking, and virtualization. CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management that allows salespeople to track their sales, support people to track their cases, and either company employees to collaborate with each other. The key concept of CRM is an approach to manage a company's interaction with current and potential customers. CRM is the combination of strategy and technology to build and improve the business relationship with customers. A great CRM helps us to do amazing things. It centralizes all our important customer information and company data at one place. Types of cloud. Salesforce tools and services are commonly referred to as clouds. This platform offers 6 major types of cloud: Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Analytics Cloud, and Experience Cloud. What is Sales Cloud? It is a cloud-based application designed to help salespeople sell smarter and faster way by centralizing customer information. They are logging their interactions with the company and automating many of the tasks salespeople do every day. Sales Cloud is a completely customizable product that integrates all customer information into one platform that includes sales, customer support, marketing, lead generation. Basically, there is a web to lead functionality provided by Salesforce and business analytics. It focuses on increasing the performance of an organization's sales staff and thereby increasing sales. This platform is also available as a software as a service SaaS for browser-based access as well as mobile app. What is Service Cloud? Service Cloud is the most complete and connected platform for customer service and support. It offers web-to-case functionality that provides help and support to the customers. It derives agent productivity and increase customer satisfaction by connecting support tools into one easy to use platform. It is integrated into the Salesforce platform, which results in a unified and effective customer experience. It is a unified platform for managing all cases assigned to an agent so that it can help in prioritizing the task at hand. What is Marketing Cloud? It is a platform for marketers that allows them to create and manage marketing relationships and campaigns with customers. It is a platform with multiple possibilities and with the foundational objective of placing the customer in the center of every experience. Salesforce Marketing Cloud SFMC is Salesforce platform for digital marketing, marketing automation and customer engagement. It is a software as a service platform made up of three editions: professional, corporate and enterprise, each with different levels of functionality and additional add-on features for users to further increase their capabilities. What is Commerce Cloud? Salesforce Commerce Cloud is the world's leading business to customer and business to business commerce solution. It is a multi-tenant cloud-based commerce platform that empowers brands to create intelligent unified buying experiences across all channels like mobile, social, web and store. It supports online retailers in marketing, merchandising, shopping experience, fulfillment, customer service and more. What is Analytic Cloud? Salesforce Web Analytics, also called Analytics Cloud. It is a business intelligence BI platform from salesforce.com. It is optimized for mobile access and data visualization. The web mobile app allows us to work with large data files and create graphs, charts and other pictorial representation of data from them. What is Experience Cloud? Salesforce Experience Cloud is an online social platform that enables companies to connect customers, partners and employees with each other, data and record they need to get work done. It creates branded digital experiences to share information and collaborate with people. Using Experience Cloud, we could build communities to gain deeper relationships with customers or provide better service by enabling customers to find information and asset each other online. Environment in Salesforce. An environment is an instance of the Salesforce platform, which can also be called an organization. It lets user access, create or deploy applications with various feature sets depending on the configuration like edition, license, profile, etc. There are different types of environment in Salesforce, that is development, production, deployment. Development environment. Development environment is further divided into four parts. Developer sandbox, good for development and testing because it includes all our configurations we can develop with the custom fields, objects and other settings that exist in our production org. Developer Pro Sandbox, good for development and quality assurance tasks, testing and user training. Better than a developer sandbox if we would like to use more sample data in these processes. Partial copy sandbox, good for user acceptance testing, integration testing and training because it contains some of our production data, seems more like our production org than a developer or developer pro sandbox. Full copy sandbox, an ideal testing environment since it is just like production. This is the only type of sandbox that supports performance testing, load testing and staging. Production environment. Production org are designed to be used with live customer data and to actively run our business. Salesforce platform environments with active paying users accessing business critical data are known as production environments. It stores and manages the live data that is actively used to run business. Here development is not allowed. Deployment environment. Salesforce deployment is copying or transferring Salesforce metadata from one Salesforce org to another. There are various methods to achieve Salesforce metadata deployment. Change sets can contain only modification we make through the setup menu. It contains information about the organization, not data, such as records. Additions in Salesforce. Salesforce offers various CRM additions, each tailored to specific business needs. Essential addition designed for a small business getting started with CRM to boost sales or service productivity. It includes a setup assistant and administration tools to customize the deployment as we grow. Professional edition designed for business requiring full featured CRM functionality. It includes straightforward and easy to use customization, integration, and administration tools to facilitate any small to mid size deployment. Enterprise Edition meets the need of large and complex businesses. It includes access to Salesforce APIs so we can easily integrate with back office systems. It gives us advanced customization and administration tools in addition to all the functionality available in Professional Edition that can support large scale deployments. Unlimited Edition maximize our success and extends it across the entire enterprise through the Lightning platform. It gives us new levels of platform flexibility for managing and sharing all our information on demand. Includes all enterprise edition functionality, primer support, full mobile access, unlimited custom apps, increased storage limits, and other features. Developer Edition. Basically, Developer Edition is for practice and learning purpose. It provides access to the Lightning platform and APIs. Also, let developers extend Salesforce, integrate with other applications, and develop new tools and applications. Developer Edition also provides access to many of the features available in Enterprise Edition. License in Salesforce. License determines baseline features that a user can access. These are of different types like standard user license, chatter, experience, service cloud, site and authenticated website user licenses. Standard user license. These are further divided into different types. Salesforce designed for users who require full access. Salesforce platform. These licenses are entitled to use custom apps developed in the org or installed from App Exchange. Also, they are entitled to use core platform functionalities such as account, contact, reports, documents, and custom tabs. Salesforce integration grants access to Salesforce data and features only through the API. The license is designed for system to system integrations. Version in Salesforce. Version control is an essential practice for modern software development on the Salesforce platform. It helps developers to track, manage, and organize their code. It goes far beyond just tracking code changes in a Git repository and can transform how agile teams build, test, and deploy software. API versioning plays an important role while developing a code for an application. It tells us the version of the developed code. Core architecture of Salesforce. Salesforce architecture is so popular because of its multi-tenancy. The multi-tenant architecture means one common application for further groups or clients. Knowing Salesforce architecture is quite interesting and understanding it makes working with the platform a whole lot easier. Multi-tenant architecture means there is a common application shared by multiple clients. Each client accessing the server will have their own working environment which is isolated from other clients. In such architecture, multiple clients use the same server but their OCs are isolated from each other. Salesforce provides a core set of services to all the customers in the multi-tenant cloud. No matter the size of our business, we get access to the same computing power, data, storage, and core features. Since Salesforce is a cloud service and have multi-tenant architecture, we never have to install new features or worry about our hardware. We can also trust what we are getting, the latest and greatest features with automatic seamless upgrades 3 times a year. Metadata. Metadata in Salesforce refers to the configuration and customization information that defines the structure and behavior of our Salesforce org. While data contains the real information, metadata defines how the system should handle and display that data. It's talking about the cells that hold the content related to any information we want to collect in our Salesforce org. It's powered by metadata and made up of different parts like data services, artificial intelligence, and robust APIs for development. API services. API stands for Application Programming Interface and it's simply a way of sending commands to Salesforce. It's used to retrieve data from other systems. Also gives Salesforce a huge amount of flexibility. The core of API's power is that all our data and metadata is API enabled. It let us move beyond the normal idea of business software and build unique and creative solutions for our company. Thank you